Hi, do you look at cryptic crossword clues and think, what the hell is going on there? Well, let me help you. Let's look at today's clue. Intermittently rainy, men given a principally Kevlar jacket. Now, what is going on there? Well, with a bit of experience and my help, hopefully, you'll start to identify wordplay indicators. These are the words in the clue that are telling you to do something with the other words in the clue to get you to the answer. And that answer is defined by part of the clue called the definition. That's usually either at the beginning of the clue or the end of the clue. So this is the part of the clue that actually has the same meaning as the answer you're going for. So in this clue, the definition is going to be something like intermittently rainy or jacket. Now, which could it be? Well, let's look for wordplay indicators. That's what I do. And then when I find those, then I know where the definition is, because the definition is always on the other side of the clue to the wordplay. The first word I'm drawn to here in this clue is this word, intermittently. Now, if something's intermittent, it's every so often, isn't it? Every now and again. And setters love using that type of wordplay to indicate just take the alternate letters of a word. You'll also see them talk about oddly or evenly or occasionally. These are all similar wordplay indicators. So in this clue, we're taking the alternate letters of rainy. Now, it could be R-I-Y or it could be A-N. We don't know yet. My thoughts are probably it's going to be A-N. And then what does men given a principally Kevlar jacket mean? Well, I think if we think this is wordplay, then the definition is going to be jacket. Now, something else to note about cryptics is this word here, men. Very often men refers to soldiers, and there are lots of abbreviations for soldiers like RE for Royal Engineers, or a very common one is OR, which means other ranks. If it's OR, and we have our intermittent rain, AN, that gives us the first four letters of this clue. And then those letters are then given A. There are no superfluous words in a clue. So if you see A, chances are it's going to be straight into the answer. And then we're left with principally Kevlar. Now, what does that mean? Well, principally is another wordplay indicator. Principally really refers to the initial letter of a word. Another wordplay indicators that would refer to this would be something like initially or at first, that type of thing. So principally Kevlar just means the K of Kevlar. So if we add that in, I'm sure you can see the word already now, that gives us anorak, meaning jacket. Like and subscribe for more tips.